Accurity Data Catalog and Business Glossary is all about defining business terms. Yet, the way things in your business are organised in real life is not usually as flat as a glossary list. Some business terms depend on others for definition, others are sorted in a hierarchy. The Accurity Data Catalog and Business Glossary solution now includes a relation types feature. It can connect individual business terms in ways that accurately represent your business. This accuracy is then projected into your company's data governance. Sort your business terms into parent-child hierarchies. Declare which terms contain other terms in real life. Which terms represent values other term is calculated from. Or simply tell other users which business terms are related. Understand the meaning behind your business terms better by making them even more representative of your business. Find relation types now in Accurity. Check our website at accurity.ai to learn more about the benefits that our new features can bring to you.